Today we are going to begin with the lesson number 7, that is the evolution of AI. So let's begin with this lesson. In this lesson we are going to study about the history of AI, and we are going to study about AI in present, that is artificial intelligence, and AI in future, artificial intelligence in future, and we are going to study about cutting edge technology and AI lab. So let's begin. Let's talk about the history of artificial intelligence. So despite AI has been present for millennia, it was not until the 1950s that its real potential was investigated. A generation of scientists, physicists, and intellectuals that has idea था AI का, but it was not until Alan Turing. So a British polymath, ये कौन था? एक British polymath Alan Turing proposed that people solve problems and make decisions using available information. So the limitation of computer was the major stumbling block to expansion. They needed to adapt fundamentally, इनको adapt करना था before they could expand any further. Machines could execute orders, machine execute करते थे orders, but not store them. Artificial intelligence was first conceptualized the artificial intelligence आपका पहले by Alan Turing in 1950s to evaluate the intelligence level of machines. He made major contributions, इन्होंने बहुत सारे contributions करे थे to mathematics, cryptanalysis, logics, philosophy, and mathematical biology, and also the new areas later named cognitive life, AI, and artificial life. Now, artificial intelligence has grown into a formidable tool in recent years. बहुत सारे formidable tools recent years में grow कर गया है, allowing robots to think, जिससे robots सोच पाए and act कर पाए humans की तरह. Furthermore, it has attracted the attention of IT firms. IT firms की attraction कर लिया in all around the world and is seen as the next major technological revolution following the growth of mobile की growth को follow करते हुए and cloud platforms की एक revolution आएगी technology की. The term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy. किसने कहा था? John McCarthy ने artificial intelligence coin किया था term as an academic conference at Dartmouth College in 1956. He is widely considered the father of artificial intelligence. जो Dartmouth वो John McCarthy थे, इनको क्या माना जाता है, consider करते हैं father of AI, father of artificial intelligence for his pioneering role in the field. So, in the area of AI development, Europe is the largest and the most diverse continent. Europe का largest और सबसे बड़ा diverse continent है, with significant levels of international collaboration. India is the third largest country in AI research. India third largest country AI research output में, behind China and USA. Let's have a look at the innovations and advancements in AI. कि क्या-क्या innovations हुए, क्या-क्या advancements हुए AI में. 1969. Shaky, a robot equipped with locomotions, perceptions, and problem-solving ability, was built at Stanford Research Institute. कहाँ पे built हुआ था? Stanford Research Institute में. 1973, Freddy, a Scottish robot, was built at Edinburgh University. Edinburgh University में built हुआ था, which was capable of using visions to locate and assemble models. 1979, Stanford CART. The first computer-controlled autonomous vehicle was built. जो first computer-controlled autonomous vehicle है, ये बनी थी. 1996, chess playing supercomputer, chess खेलने वाला supercomputer Deep Blue develop हुआ था by IBM, won against the chess world champion. Chess world champion के against won किया था इसने Gary Kasparov. chess world champion कौन थे जब? Gary Kasparov. The first chess match was played in Philadelphia and won by Kasparov. किसने जीता था? Kasparov ने जीता था. A rematch was played next year and won by Deep Blue. फिर से rematch हुआ, फिर किसने जीता? Deep Blue जीत गया. The second match was first defeated of Gary. जो second match था वो first defeat हो गया था Gary से. So now 2011 में क्या है? Apple ने introduce करा personal voice assistant Siri. So like you call Hey Siri. So Siri launch हुआ था, Apple ने किया था as a built-in feature for their device. Supercomputer IBM Watson won against two human contestants in the television quiz show Jeopardy. Now 2011 में क्या हुआ? 2012 में क्या हुआ? Google autonomous car passed the first US self-driving car test. तो खुद से ड्राइव करने वाली कार. Now 2014 में Amazon ने लॉन्च किया था Alexa, an intelligent virtual assistant. है Alexa, क्या आपके साउंड्स को चला देता है? Virtual assistant है आपका. 2016 Sophia, a social humanoid robot developed by the Hong Kong-based company. एक humanoid robot था जो किसने डेवलप किया था? हांगकांग की बेस्ड कंपनी ने किया था, हैंसन रोबोटिक्स. In 2017 October, Sophia was given Saudi Arabian citizenship. Saudi Arabia की citizenship मिल गई थी सोफिया को, and became the first robot to receive the citizenship of any country. First robot बनी थी जिसको citizenship मिली थी किसी country की. 2017 Mitra robot, a humanoid robot designed and developed by Indian startup Invento Robotics. किसने डिजाइन किया था, डेवलप किया था? Indian startup Invento Robotics ने, a robotic company in Bangalore, founded by Balaji Viswanathan. Now in 2017 Google AI AlphaGo beat world champion KG in the board game Go. Board game Go में बीट करा था KG को. In 2018 Erica, a robot, became a new anchor in Japan. जो रोबोट था न्यू क्या बन गया था? एंकर बन गया था जापान में. 2019 a gender neutral voice assistant named Q was created. In 2020 evolution of chatbots to conversational AI bots took place. Now AI in the present. अब AI क्या कर रहा है? Artificial intelligence is being utilized for so many things. बहुत सारी चीजों के लिए हम यूज करते हैं, and so much promises that it's difficult to imagine our future without it. हम AI के बिना अपना फ्यूचर इमेजिन ही नहीं कर सकते. AI technologies are boosting productivity को बूस्ट करते हैं like never seen before. From workflow management solutions to trend forecast, and even the companies buy advertisement. Companies advertisement ही buy करती है. AI can gather and organize vast volumes of data. ये gather करता है vast volumes of data को organize करता है order में to draw inference. It also improves organizational efficiency. Organization की efficiency को increase करता है, improve करता है, while lowering the risk of mistakes, and it identifies unusual patterns such as spam and fraud to alert organizations about suspicious behavior. ये organizations को alert कर देता है suspicious behavior जो spams होते हैं, frauds होते हैं उनके against. Among other things, AI will indeed be and is already being used in many aspects of life. बहुत सारे aspects of life में हम AI को use कर रहे हैं, such as self-developing cars, precise weather forecasting, finance, manufacturing, earlier health diagnosis, and in healthcare and others. AI in the future. Future में क्या होगा? It has been suggested that we are on the verge of fifth industrial revolution, which will be unlike any of the previous three. From steam and water power to electricity and manufacturing process. Computerization, and now the question of what it is to be human is being challenged. That is industrial revolution. So the industrial revolution being mechanization of manufacturing with the introduction of steam and water power. Then क्या हुआ? Mass production हुआ, assembly lines using electrical powers. Then automated production using electronic programmable logic control PLC, IT systems and robotics. Now autonomous decision making by cyber physical systems using machine learning through cloud technology. Smarter technology in our factories and workplaces, as well as link equipment that will communicate, view the entire production process, and make autonomous choices are just a few of the methods the industrial revolution will lead to business improvements. As robots, humans, and smart devices work on improving supply chains and warehousing, our business and organization are becoming smarter and more productive. हमारे business organization बहुत smarter और ज़्यादा productive होते जा रहे हैं. Thereby are that cusp of the fifth industrial revolution. Future possibilities of AI in various sectors. क्या future possibilities होंगी AI की different sectors में? So we are only at the beginning of AI development. हम beginning में हैं AI development के. Even then we are already able to use some apps and devices based on AI. For instance, several voices assistants based on AI technology like Siri, Alexa, and Microsoft Cortana are found in our devices. Yes, Siri भी हमारे devices में, Alexa होता है, Cortana होता है हमारे laptops में, Windows में. AI will affect the majority of people's activities and professions. Yes, AI affect करेगा बहुत सारे people's की professions को, majority के activities को. Science and research. AI system can also serve as a real-time discovery tool for invasive and endangered species. It provides an easy way for scientists to perform various types of experiments. Easy way provide करता है different scientists को experiments के लिए in a safe, effective and efficient way. The vision of AI technology is vast in healthcare industry. बहुत बड़ा है healthcare industry में, क्योंकि उसका aim है improve करना quality of life and save people by choosing appropriate treatment and give better consultation to the patient. Now coding. AI coding systems for application development are boosting. AI जो coding systems application की development के लिए boost होते जा रहे हैं, तो the growth of AI and ML. AI technology play an important role. Important role play करती है programming में, because ये enhance करती है productivity of programmers by suggesting appropriate code syntax at the start time of programming. Many programming languages like Python have AI enabled tools. इसमें AI enabled tools होते हैं Python में, which can easily detect bugs को जो mistakes होती है वो easily detect करती है coding के time पे. Now military के लिए क्या होगा? Military AI technologies hold great promise for facilitating military decisions, minimizing human casualties, and enhancing the combat potential forces. AI provides some simulation and training application. ये simulation और training application provide करता है to the soldiers, which give them a real-time virtual experience. Real-time virtual experience देते हैं उन्हें of the troubles and problems faced during the military operations. Transportation and surveillance. AI for video surveillance utilizes computer software programs से utilize करता है computer के software programs को जो analyze करता है audio को and images को from cameras in order to recognize humans को recognize पहचान करने के लिए vehicles, objects, attributes and events. It aids in identifying the vehicle by detecting and extracting the license plate numbers. Match it with the RTO database. RTO के database से match करता है, generate an electric चालान e-चालान and send it via mail to the owner of the vehicle. Mail के through owner of the vehicle पे send कर देता है, जो आपके AI से ही तो कट होते हैं आजकल आपके चालान. Now many companies like Tesla and Uber are developing autonomous vehicles. ये autonomous vehicles को develop करता है which will rely heavily on AI. AI पर rely करेंगे operate करने के लिए automatically and optimally. So entertainment. The advent of AI in entertainment will further automate sound production procedures. AI give a floor that can automate duties. एक floor देते जो automate करता है duty को, like splitting down scripts, making short lists, storyboarding, building schedules, and leading movie resources. AI can also predict the taste. Taste भी predict कर सकता है preferences of viewers. The various OTT platforms और online music platforms use AI. ये AI को यूज करते हैं marketing aspects के लिए, जिसमें क्या क्या included होता है, advertisement, designing and film promotions included होते हैं. Cutting edge technology. We live in spectacular time. The space of technology steadily increase. जो space of technology को increase होता जा रहा है, new fields आ रही है science की are being explored and innovative concepts are emerging almost every day. Day to day different concepts are resulting in stunning and overwhelming products. The impact of these products can be tremendous. इनका impact और tremendous हो सकता है. In fact, new technology can completely revolutionize. जो new technology होगी वो completely क्या करेगी? Revolutionize करेगी the way we play, communicate, work and live our lives. And some of these products are just eye candy. कुछ products या eye candy है, कुछ useful है. Some are visionary and some become revolutionary. कुछ revolutionary होते हैं in the next years. Let us read about the examples of cutting edge technology. Cutting edge technology के examples क्या क्या है? Augmented reality (AR). Augmented reality (AR) is a technology enriching the real world with digital information and media, such as 3D models and videos, overlaying the camera view of smartphone, tablets, PC, or connected glasses. Augmented reality turns the environment, ये turn करता है environment को around the user into a digital interface by placing virtual objects in the real world. ये virtual object को real world में place करता है real time में. Augmented reality can be seen through a wide variety of experience. So a wide variety of experience में देख सकते हो some of the augmented reality tools are as follows. Like augmented reality 3D viewer. Like augment allow user to replace life. ये place करता है life को life size 3D models in environment with or without the use of trackers. Trackers के use के बिना. Trackers are simple images. Simple image होती है जो 3D models होते हैं that can be attached to an augmented reality. Now augmented reality browsers enrich the camera display with contextual information. We can point our smartphones at a building. हम point करते हैं अपने smartphones को किसी building से display करने के लिए history of estimated values. The last way that augmented reality is generally experienced is through gaming. Creating immersive gaming experience that utilize the actual surrounding. What's the difference between AR, VR, MR and XR? Augmented reality AR and add digital elements to a live view often by using the camera. Digital elements डालते हैं live view के लिए किसके use से कैमरा के और स्मार्टफोन के. On a smartphone examples है augmented reality experience include Snapchat lenses हैं जो गेम Pokemon होता है and game Pokemon Go. Virtual reality implies a complete immersion experience that shuts out the physical world. जो shut out करता है पूरे physical world को using VR device, virtual reality के device को जैसे as HTC Vive, DC Lite and Google Cardboard. Users can be transported to a number of real world and imagined environments. Imagine करते हैं environment को such as middle of squawking penguin का इसको middle में squawking penguin colony के और even the back of the dragon. Now in a mixed reality, that is the MR experience which combines elements of both AR and VR experience करते हैं जो combine करते हैं elements AR के भी and VR के भी real world wherein digital objects interact. Mixed reality technology is just now starting to take off with Microsoft HoloLens. One of the most notable early mixed reality apparatuses, extended reality XR, is an umbrella term that covers all the various technology. Umbrella term which cover the सारी technologies को जो enhance करती है senses को whether they are providing additional information about the actual world. ये additional information provide करता है actual world के बारे में और create करता है totally unreal simulated world for us to experience. It includes virtual reality. So virtual reality होता है, augmented reality होता है and mixed reality technologies भी होती हैं. The biggest use of augmented reality gaming to date is Pokemon Go. Biggest uses का augmented का Pokemon Go, allowing users to catch virtual Pokemon Go. Virtual Pokemon catch करते हैं जो hidden होते हैं throughout the map of the real world. Now let's talk about AI lab. Pixel it. The main purpose of this activity is to understand how the computer classifies the image. Computer कैसे classify करता है image को, as well as how a computer reads them. या computer कैसे read करता है. The graphics or images created in computer are pixel-based images. Each pixel only displays one color. हर pixel खाली एक color को display करता है. So computers combine thousands of pixels. जो computer होता है thousands of pixels को combine करता है in a grid in order to display complex images. So in this activity we will understand how the images will be processed. इस activity में हम क्या करेंगे, क्या समझेंगे कि कैसे images process होती हैं, classify and how computers see them. कि computer से कैसे देखता है. This is one of the machine learning approach used in computer vision application. Follow these steps to play this activity. So to take 3 paper sheets, आपको 3 paper sheets लेनी है, draw करनी है grades 9 की each paper पे as shown like this. Put the column values as shown. Put column values डालनी है 1 to 3, 1 to 9 and 2 to 10. Then draw the letter R. R letter को draw करना है papers पे randomly as shown by the touching all the possible edges. कि सारे possible edges को वो touch करे. Then fill each corresponding cell of letters and with red color or shown as below. और कलर एज शोन ऐसे बिल्कुल आपको कलर कर देना. जो जहाँ तक वो जिन बॉक्सेस को टच कर रहा है उनको आपको कलर करना है. कट द स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ पेपर एज शोन. जो पेपर की स्ट्रिप्स है उनको आपको ऐसे कट करना है. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट टेक द वैल्यू 1 की वैल्यू लेनी है बॉक्स से एंड सेल कलर विच इज रेड एंड 0 वेयर द बॉक्स इज और सेल कलर इज एम्प्टी, जो बॉक्स कलर है वहां पे 0 ले लिया, 1 लेंगे जो रेड है, सो जो व्हाइट है वो 0 रहा, जो रेड है हमारे 1 1 हो गए। Then take the second paper and draw the letter R. Again randomly done in step 3 and 4 as shown in the figure. दूसरा पेपर जो था उस पर भी R डालो ऐसे, फिर उसे ग्रीन कर देना है। Cut the strip as shown previously in step 5, फिर से 1 से 9 तक देना है, 2 से 10 तक देना है, अरेंज करना है उसको। फिर जो ब्लैंक है वो 0 रहेगा, जो ग्रीन है आपका वो 1 रहेगा। Now take both letters values and add them in a sequence as shown. दोनों लेटर्स की वैल्यूज को ऐड रखो और उन्हें सीक्वेंस में ऐड करो, 1 1 2 1 1 2 like this सीक्वेंस में ऐड करना है आपको। Now take some values of the first and second letter. Some values लो फर्स्ट और सेकंड लेटर की and place value in the table, और टेबल में वैल्यू को प्लेस कर दो। On the third paper as shown. Fill only colors where the table cell values have 1 or 2. जहाँ 1 या 2 है उन्हीं को fill करना है, and leave those cell empty where value is 0. जहाँ 0 है वहाँ उनको खाली छोड़ दो। So we have created an intelligent model which can recognize whether an alphabet we wrote is similar to the data entered previously. Same आएगा जो आपने data enter किया था previously or not. Also train the model with the data sets of same alphabet that were used in the same the above activity, but take different shapes of boxes. The model would see if the colored blocks are aligned or not. If they are, then colored boxes are aligned एक साथ. If they are, then there exists a maximum probability that the alphabet is same. Maximum probability रहेगी कि आपका alphabet same है. So fact folder. Privacy concern is one of the most serious implication of AI system. Gmail and an app of Google help us to set up an email account for forms for which we are required to submit some personal information. After filling all the information, we are asked to put a tick mark on the checkbox. जब हम सारी चीजें fill up कर देते हैं, conditions का tick box आता है ना वहाँ पे, of a lengthy user agreement, which most users accept without even realizing the implication of such agreements on our privacy rights. वो हमारे प्राइवेसी राइट्स से implications होता है। We should remember that the data entered by us is stored somewhere. जो भी हम data enter करेंगे वो कहीं ना कहीं stored होता है the large databases and thus can be used in any manner where the potential risk is high. कहीं भी कोई भी उसको use कर सकता है। So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a good day.